Pasta with buttered sour cream and bacon sauce.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 6 slices of bacon. I chopped it up first and then fried it until it was nice and crispy. You could use more than 6 slices if you wanted to. Once it's nice and crisp, you're going to drain it, pat it dry, and then you'll set it aside. The pasta you use is up to you, as long as you have about 8 ounces of dry pasta, and you're going to cook that according to package directions. Once your pasta is cooked, all you have to do is drain it. I shut the oven off after I cook my pasta, put it back on the same element so that there's still some heat coming off the element into the pot to keep the pot nice and warm. Then I added in 1/4 cup of butter. Better if it's at room temperature, and you're going to stir it until it's nicely melted. And then you'll add 1 cup of sour cream. Now what I did is I put that cup of sour cream in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to heat it up a bit so it wasn't super cold. It's just you don't want it to cool your pasta off. Then I added the cooked and crumbled bacon, as well as 1/2 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Original recipe asks for an entire tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, but I found that a little bit too much. I thought 1/2 was perfect. And then some green onions or scallions. I used about 4 spring onions. I have these little red spring onions in my garden. I used about 4 of them chopped up. And then you just give it a stir and your side dish is done. Serve it immediately. I served this alongside some corn, and I had some shake and bake style chicken that has these little crispy fried onions as a coating. It's a delicious side dish. It's so easy to make, and it beats any of those packet sauce and noodles that you can buy at the grocery store. I think maybe if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of shredded cheese in the mix when you're stirring this together. But I just find that something simple with just a little onion and a little sour cream and some bacon makes it really good. If you're looking for another side dish to serve, I have this macaroni rainbow coleslaw recipe that is so pretty, and it is also quite good. Please see the link in the description box or on your screen. Thank you for watching.